Right here I have this awesome waffle style hoodie that is gonna be absolutely perfect for you guys. What's up? My name is TJ and I'm 5'11", 150 pounds. I ended up getting the size large in this hoodie. I actually have a couple of these. I run the medium for a little bit more of a tailored slim look, and I ended up getting the large to have something a little bit less tight just so I could be a little bit more comfortable and lounge around in. So I ended up getting this color blue and I think it looks great. This large does feel really good, and we have a ribbed look on the bottom that's gonna keep it nice and snug on the bottom, and then we also get ribbed on the sleeves as well, so it's gonna make sure that this is not gonna fall below your wrist, keeping it nice and secure. We get drawstrings on the top, and then we get these cool accent pieces that have a nice brown tan color that just look really good. Now, the reason why I love this hoodie is because it looks like formal, but yet it just looks casual, so you could definitely dress up or down with this very easily. If you throw a pair of jeans on here, you can just have like a nice casual look, but I think you can also throw a sport coat underneath this too, and then just have like the hood sticking out of the sport coat. Totally dress up on this. It just looks like a premium high quality hoodie. Now this is gonna be made with a 95% polyester and a 5% spandex, so it's gonna give you a nice four-way stretch going all the way throughout. Very, very comfortable all the way through, and we get a really nice hood as well. This has a nice accent on it too because it is gonna be the opposite. It's gonna be nice and smooth, not gonna have the waffle design. Fits really good all the way throughout. And then on the bottom here, we're gonna have a brown tan accent piece as well with a little bit of a logo, so I do like that. This is not gonna have any pockets on it in the front or the side, so again, I think it gives you more of like a dressed up look, so you can look a little bit more formal. I think this is a great piece to have. They have a ton of other colors, so make sure you check them all out. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.